Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I'm here with the all new litter box from PetSnowy. PetSnowy is one of the best premier pet brands around. I absolutely love them. They make incredible products that just make your life as a pet owner so much easier. And they spoil your best friends. So I love this litter box. One, because it's actually aesthetic. It looks nice in my home. It's not just some big clunky thing. And it's all nice and protected. It is a self-contained unit. That is a huge plus for a variety of reasons. One, the smell. That's probably the biggest thing for me. There are so many different aspects of this that contain and keep all of the smells in. So you're not gonna be smelling your cat's litter box, which is huge. That's probably the number one pain point about being a cat mom, is that litter box smell bad. With the PetSnowy, you are gonna solve that problem. It's got this enclosure that keeps all of that litter dust out of your air, off of your floors. The smells are all contained inside, and everything in here is made of materials that don't harbor those smells and bacteria. It's all nice, clean, and hygienic. Keeping those smells out of your air, away from your guest, and making your home a much more inviting place to be, while providing a perfect potty for your cats. They are going to love it. They are gonna love the enclosure as well because it gives them some privacy. It makes them feel nice and safe while they are doing their business. My cats have learned to love this, and if your cat maybe is a little bit timid or scared at first, don't worry, they catch on really, really quickly, just as easy as a traditional litter box. And if they need a little bit of extra encouragement, I just say you should put a couple treats inside. When they figure it out, they're gonna be like, oh man, I love this. It takes basically no time at all. As far as everything, they do have this nice little curtain here that gives added privacy for your cats, and the little board inside here and this ramp going up is all designed to make your cats not only very comfortable going into their box, but also to get rid of all that extra litter that might end up on their paws while they're doing their business. So that way they're not tracking it throughout your house. You've got a lot of different layers here to keep the litter inside and not outside. So you're not constantly sweeping up litter. I absolutely love this. This, of course, hooks up to an app, and that app is going to really, really be a great indicator of your cat's health, also your litter's health. So you don't have to be thinking like, oh man, when's the last time I changed the litter? Do I need to buy new litter? Do I need to change things? Nope, it's gonna tell you everything automatically on the app. And if there's any radical changes in your cat's health, for example, how often or the amount that they're going to the bathroom, the app will alert you of those things as well. So you can share that data point with your vet and make sure that you're staying on top of your cat's health. Cats historically are very solitary creatures, and they're also not very easy at communicating when something might be wrong with them. So having an extra data point via this app is going to be a huge, huge way for you to monitor your cat's health and make sure that you are doing right by your best friends. It's also really incredible because you never have to scoop litter again. So, you know, those old days of scooping litter individually with that little scooper, no, not anymore. This scoops the litter for you. It's really cool. It's like a cylindrical thing that goes around, it sifts the litter, and puts the waste into this tray down here at the bottom to where it goes into a bag. It's all nice and hygienic, it's all smell-free, and all you have to do is change that, you know, depending on your cat's size, age, health, and how many cats you have. You could maybe go up to 2 weeks without having to even lift a finger with your litter. And when you want to add more litter to your litter box, it's super simple. A lot of litter boxes that I've seen, robotic litter boxes, it's really hard to add extra litter. It's like a bunch of steps and taking things apart and all kinds of stuff just to put a little bit more litter in. With the PetSnowy, that problem is totally gone. All you have to do is lift up this lid, pour your litter right in. It goes right into the litter box itself, and it could not be more simple. I love this because obviously it takes care of my pain points. There's no litter on the ground. There's no smell in the air. I don't have to scoop litter manually myself, and I really only have to take care of a litter box every 1 to 2 weeks, which is absolutely fantastic. It also keeps toddlers, little hands, and little dogs out of the litter box. So if you have those problems, like I have a little dog that would love an open litter box around here, this keeps him out, which is perfect. Also really going to be great if you have toddlers or little ones that you want to make sure that they're not going to get in the litter box. This is a perfect solution. So it's perfect for pet parents, but also it makes my cats really happy too. And that is super important to me. It's making my cats happy because, one, I have extra data points about their health. So I'm alerted right away if something's going on. I can get them to the vet and I can make sure that they are nice, healthy and safe. It also gives them nice privacy to do their business in a nice, beautiful, private location where they don't have to worry about predators and they can be kind of enclosed and all the things that I know make them happy. And 3, they always, always, always have a clean bathroom. If I haven't scooped litter yet that day, I don't have to worry about it. I know that every single time they go potty, it's perfectly clean because PetSnowy does it for me. It makes me happy, it makes my cats happy. I'm absolutely in love, and I know that you guys will be as well. That's why in the description, I'm going to leave all of the links and more information about PetSnowy so you can pick one up for yourself. Go ahead, you guys, get to shopping. Adios, amigos.